Here we go. Don't pull a Tennessee. Don't mock a Tennessee.
This is an Amber Alert. The Ansonia Police Department has requested an Amber Alert. A child is missing and your help is needed. Police are attempting to locate Vanessa Morales, age 1, who was last seen on Saturday, November 30th, 2019, in Ansonia, Connecticut. Vanessa is described as a white Hispanic female with brown eyes and brown hair. She is approximately 2 feet 6 inches tall and weighs 23 pounds. If you see or have any information regarding the whereabouts of Vanessa Morales, please call 911 or 1-800-CALL-FBI, which is 1-800-225-5324. Do not attempt to approach subjects as you may put yourself and the child in danger. This is an Amber Alert.
First Amber Alert catch. Child abduction emergency. Oh my gosh. That's unbelievable.